lot of the problem of waste generation, which you also spoke about, villages, happens because the agencies that are responsible for managing solid waste and disposal are beyond central control. Some would argue that they are also beyond the state government's control because they are focused on municipalities. How do we change the municipalities? Because it's clearly not just an issue of funding, sir. I think most municipalities do have lots of funding. Why is that not changing? Where is the problem there?
I'll tell you, the problem is our reforms in waste management have come from contractors. They are contractor-driven reforms which were introduced in municipal corporations, and they failed miserably in many areas. One company called Hanjar has ran away from 21 cities, and they are in chaos. And there are many such companies, because when reforms are driven by contractor for profit motive only, you don't reach to a solution. And every city's garbage has a characteristics. Basically, there is a difference between the degradable bio-waste of India and waste. The first is every village or city waste has some characteristics, you must build upon it. Still you will have to give tipping charges at some point for transportation or somewhere. There will be a part of subsidy. It can't be a profit business. So there needs to be there needs to be a wise counsel. And to that end, I have suggested Urban Development Ministry, because they are the proper ministry for that they should create a special purpose vehicle of consultation. Like DMRC has become a repository of metro science and metro railway network. If you want to build, in Pune they wanted to build. I said, every representative and ministers and everybody said, we must do this, we must do this. I said, only my condition is only one. DMRC must become the final consultant to select the contractors and everybody, because DMRC as an institute had built up that credibility. And therefore, we must build one credible institute to guide municipal corporations and municipal towns, palikas, of how they should manage their waste best. But decentralized waste management is the best way option.
People say that funds are a problem. But we have seen, when we see the annual report of the central government or the disbursal through ministries, and I'm not talking only about the center, that sometimes funds are not the issue. But if you can at this stage tell us whether that is the issue at the municipal level, at the state level, at the panchayat level, is funding an issue for dealing with solid waste management?
I never see funding as a problem. The problem is we must also be, we had one great assembly speaker in Maharashtra. He used to say, and I quote, that politician must learn to say no and administrators must learn to say yes. That's the issue. Because we don't want to tax people, but we'll have to tell people कि बाबा स्वच्छता का भी पैसा होता है, पानी का भी पैसा होता है, फिर कचरा जो ड्रेनेज है उसका भी पैसा होता है, और थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा कैपेसिटी वाइज देंगे, गरीब को कम लगाएंगे, बाकियों को ज़्यादा लगाएंगे. That can be a taxation principle, but people need to pay. Municipalities can create their own resources. I don't think funding is the issue. Issue is scientific guidance and strict implementation. As you rightly said, sewage, nobody wants to do. Yesterday I did for my city, Pune, 990 crores for treating the whole stream of, that was a, we have some 300 odd stretches which are most polluted. That was one part, and we have decided to give 900 crores for that city cleaning. It will be good.
The specific question, you talked about plastic bags. Yeah. When can we have a situation, and I came with a delegation of British parliamentarians a few years ago, and they saw plastic bags across various streets. This seems to be one of the most simplest areas where we can tackle. How long do you think it will take for us to make sure the whole of India is rid of plastic bags on our streets?
I'll tell you, we have mandated that below 50 microns, today it is 40 microns, the carry bags and things should not happen. I have closed already 10 units in Delhi, 7 units, 10 units in UP, 7 units in Delhi. We want to go more strict on that count, A. But more importantly, we are also making people aware that पहले तो हम 40 साल पहले प्लास्टिक था ही नहीं, तो हम तो घर से कपड़े की बैग लेकर ही जाते थे, तो वो भी शुरू करें, लोगों की भी थोड़ी आदत बदलेंगे, थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे, प्लास्टिक वेस्ट के नए भी, क्योंकि मैं जब डंप पे गया तो मैंने लड़कों को पूछा कि आप प्लास्टिक ये पतला प्लास्टिक पन्नी क्यों नहीं उठाते, बोले साहब 400 प्लास्टिक पन्नी उठाने के बाद 1 किलो होता है और 400 बार झुकना पड़ता है, ये गणित नहीं बैठता, तो थिक प्लास्टिक है वो उठाते हैं। दूध की थैली कहीं नजर नहीं आएगी कचरे में, क्योंकि वो रिसाइकल होती है, रैक पिकर को भी पैसा मिलता है, लेकिन ये इसमें सच नहीं है। तो इसलिए इसको बैन करेंगे, इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे, लोगों की आदतें बदलेंगे, और प्लास्टिक टू ऑयल 2 यूनिट्स मैं अभी शुरू करके आया हूँ, तो बहुत जगह टेक्नोलॉजी विल ऑलवेज टेक अस टू न्यूअर सॉल्यूशंस, दोज लेस पोल्यूटिंग and economically feasible solutions will survive, and we will promote them.
Okay,
I
a
just
question.
want to
Yeah, sure,
just,
Manoj.
and then
That
we'll
issue
open
is-
up a general question, I think it's on some people's minds as well, that you inherited a ministry that was regarded as a difficult ministry. Some people call it a hot potato. 1 year on, is it still a hot potato? Do you still see it as a
No,
difficult
now
ministry?
actually jury is out, and here is the jury. They can give me what is their feedback, because I value the feedback. What was the problem? Unnecessarily it was a closed ministry, unnecessarily it became a roadblock ministry, unnecessarily it became a speed breaker ministry, and to an extent a tax ministry. I have done away with all the 3, and now what we are giving is online. The online process of giving transparent, first time in the history of India, a project proponent can now track where his file is lying. At least that's a freedom which I have given, granted. Yesterday I have started in 19 states also. So state where the proposals are dealt by state only, 19 states have come on board, and yesterday we have launched online system of filing applications for environment and forest clearance in state level also. So that's how we are going ahead. We have made policy based decisions. I don't know whose files I am sanctioning, because I don't see the faces. I see the principle. I have taken the policy decisions, and our Prime Minister has given us that moral strength to take decisions, and he never interferes. But we guarantee him that we are taking policy based decisions. So I am ready. कोई कोर्ट में भी जाएगा तो हम बता सकेंगे कि ये निर्णय क्यों लिया, भाई ये पॉलिसी है, और क्यों पॉलिसी है, जनहित की पॉलिसी है, क्यों है, we can tell. So there is a justification. That's the regime, so there is no pendency.
प्रकाश जी नमस्कार, आलोक गुप्ता क्लीन इंडिया वेंचर से
जी
मुझे याद है कि मैं एक बार आपको बैटरी ऑपरेटेड व्हीकल देने आया था, और आप शुरू से एनवायरनमेंट के प्रति बहुत कॉन्शियस रहे हैं। मेरा एक सवाल है कि हमारा जो कंप्लीट कूड़ा है उसमें एटलीस्ट 50% कूड़ा इज़ ऑर्गेनिक इन नेचर, चाहे वो पत्तियां हो, फल हो, मतलब जो वेस्ट मंडी का सामान हो, पायस रिफ्यूज़ हो। तो ऐसे में क्या हमें ऐसी अपेक्षा करनी चाहिए कि कोई सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम मिनिस्ट्री में हो, ताकि उसका जो ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है या उसकी रीप्रोसेसिंग का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है वो मिनिस्ट्री से हैंड होल्ड होके और डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड मैनर में हम कम्युनिटी टू कम्युनिटी कर सकें, क्योंकि ऐसे सॉल्यूशंस आज मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं जो कि उस वेस्ट को खाद में या फिर फ्यूल स्टिक्स में रीप्रोसेस कर सकते हैं।
आलोक ने मुझे 4 साल पहले वो दिखाई गाड़ी, तो मैंने ली, और स्कूटर से मेरे घर के 3-4 किलोमीटर के परिसर में मुझे भी कभी जाना है तो मैं वही यूज़ करता हूँ, और मेरे घर के लोग भी जो सामान विमान लाना है उसके लिए वही यूज़ करें। तो हम तो हमारे से ही शुरुआत करते हैं, लेकिन आपने जैसे जो कहा वो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि बायो वेस्ट जो आ रही है, बायो वेस्ट माने ये जो ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट आ रही है उसका ट्रीटमेंट जगह जगह हो। तो कल जैसे लोधी गार्डन में मैंने देखा जीरो वेस्ट गार्डन, सो दे आर ट्रीटिंग देयर ओन वेस्ट, you are doing, your machine is there.
Okay.
So there are many, now these are the new movements. ये नई सेंसिबिलिटी है, पुराने लोगों को दोष देने में मेरा विश्वास नहीं है। अब नए सेंसिबिलिटी के लिहाज से अब बायोनियर, वो एक्सेल ने प्रोडक्शन निकाला, बहुत सारे लोगों ने निकाला है, कंपोज टू नहीं, वेस्ट टू कंपोस्ट इन 24 आवर्स है वो तो सब कर रहे लोग, वेस्ट का कंपोस्ट भी कर रहे हैं, वेस्ट का ब्रिकेट्स भी कर रहे हैं। परसों मुझे किसी ने आके दिखाया एंड इट्स ए कमर्शियल सक्सेस, सो दैट विल सर्वाइव। सो वो जलाने के लिए यूज हो रहा है अच्छी तरह से, फर्नेस में डाल रहे, बॉयलर में डाल रहे, और तो इकट्ठा करके अब यहाँ भी हरियाणा में 4 साल पहले तक, 10 साल पिछले, ये कटाई करना घास की संभव नहीं थी, इसलिए लोग जलाते थे। दैट यूज टू पोल्यूट दिल्ली ऑल्सो। नाउ पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड बिजनेस आउट ऑफ इट। यस्टरडे 5 फार्मर्स केम टू मी, मेट मी एंड शो मी हाउ दे आर कलेक्टिंग नाउ। बेलिंग मशीन पंजाब सरकार दे रही है, हरियाणा सरकार दे रही है, सब्सिडी पे दे रही है, तो बेल कर रहे हैं, उसको कटाई कर रहे हैं, उससे वो बना रहे हैं बड़ा गुड़ की जैसे ये होती है स्टैक, तो वैसा कर रहे हैं और वैसा फर्नेस को दे रहे हैं, सो दैट दे आर डूइंग गुड बिजनेस। सो देर आर ऑल ऑप्शंस एंड आई बिलीव इन टेक्नोलॉजी, आई बिलीव इन ह्यूमन इंटेंट, आई बिलीव इन ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस, एंड देयरफॉर solutions will come, and whatever are commercially good and feasible will survive.
My name is Harish Mutana. I'm from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Government of Denmark. It's a simple question. In your MSW rules, do you have any provision for incineration? Because the kind of waste that we are generating, even after segregation, there is quite a large amount of organic, high calorific value waste. Why aren't we talking about incineration, which seems to be a bad word in India at least?
See, there are different solutions. The less pollution solutions will be the best. And therefore, decentralized solutions, I believe. Incineration, there are issues of pollution also coming out of it. But therefore, I believe that ultimately where we will land and succeed is at a less polluting solution, less costly solution, decentralized solution, having people's participation, having given right information for RAC, because means informal sector, because today 65% of the waste is segregated by them. You have no system. They do it. That's what I